Imagine that a single image and a simple voice recording captured with your phone could transform in just a few seconds into a complete music video you can share with someone you care about, even if they are thousands of miles away from you. I wasn't actually looking for a new app, nor for yet another AI tool. But what I discovered recently made me feel that something real is truly changing in the world of artificial intelligence, not because the technology became more powerful, but because the experience itself has become more human. For a long time, artificial intelligence was a solitary experience, one person, one screen, and a result watched in silence. But today, we are moving into a completely different phase. A phase defined by play, sharing, and creating moments together. And this is exactly where an app like VibeMe AI appears. You can sing with a friend in another city, or joke around with a family member, and turn a spontaneous moment into a shareable music video. Even the simplest occasions can become shared digital memories. Here, the video itself is not the goal, but the feeling of participation. What makes VibeMe AI truly special is that it doesn't ask anything complicated from you. No long instructions, no confusing settings, no need to think about what should I write. Instead, you get access to a large library of ready-made templates and music. Choose what fits your mood, and start the experience instantly. It feels more like a social game than a technical tool. When I tried the app for the first time, I chose a simple music template. I added my photo and invited someone else to join. I waited a little, and the result was honest, playful, and ready to be shared immediately. In that moment, I understood why so many people use it to create content that spreads quickly across social media platforms. VibeMe AI is not a professional filmmaking app, nor a tool designed only for experts. It is an app for everyday people, for fun, for experimentation, and for connection. Its real power is not in artificial intelligence itself, but in its ability to bring people together. If you're looking for a new way to create light and enjoyable content, or you simply want to laugh, try something different, and create something meaningful with someone you care about, then this kind of app is definitely worth trying. This was VibeMe AI, the app that doesn't make you create a video alone, but gives you the chance to create it with others. And if you enjoyed this type of content and don't want to miss upcoming experiences in the world of artificial intelligence and content creation, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you never miss an update.